Graphtec presents the Infinity Smart Wireless Charging Table. The Infinity Smart Wireless Charging Table offers a new opportunity to charge your phone and socialize at the same time, especially for B2B networking events. Our design team has developed a seamless design language, making it an organic and inviting way to enjoy the experience. The table has features such as wireless charging on the countertop with intelligent LED charging feedback, voice assistant Alexa, which can answer questions about weather, navigation, and restaurants. The Motorized Leg is a kinetic sculpture that has intelligent LEDs, offering various animation sequences configurable from your phone, with potential to automate or integrate with Alexa. Corian countertop with rounded edges without seams, being scratch-resistant and easy to clean. The light channels for LEDs are invisible without seams. Reinforced leg base with precision machined metal, offering stability. The minimalism of the design and the organic experience makes it a piece of furniture that creates a story of its own. Graphtec. Furniture fits future.